Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a regular air conditioner like this into something like this. So let's proceed, shall we? So step one is to actually check if your air conditioner starts back up on power failure. Now this is necessary because the method we're using will be turning off and on the mains to control the air conditioner. So just to check it, start your air conditioner, turn off the switch and turn it back on again and see what happens. If the AC turns back on, then you're good to go. Now step two is to get a smart plug from a name brand like LG, Samsung or Belkin. In my case, I'm using a Wipro. Now they're exclusively available in India, but find any good brand locally and it should work for you. Now, once your smart plug arrives, install it, set it up using the app provided. Now I can't cover almost all of the apps, but it's very simple. Just enter your Wi-Fi information and it will be all set up. Now step three is to go to the app of your smart plug and set up triggers there. So I'm using a weather trigger as well as a time trigger. So I'll show you how it all works. So I've set it so that when the temperature reaches a certain degrees outside, the AC turns on automatically. And there is another rule I created where at the morning 6 a.m. it turns off automatically. So I don't have to ever touch my remote again. Anytime it's hot out there, the AC will turn on. You can also limit those times. Say if you work 9 to 5, it won't start at that time. You can set it like that. Once you set up your triggers, it's time to wait and see whether your triggers actually work. Double check the temperatures and weather outside and verify everything is working to your liking. You can tweak it later on as required. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm very close to that 500 number. Help me get there, and hit the thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Check out my other videos up on the screen, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.